Hey everyone, it's Sam Bryant from Bryant Taylor Law, and this is question of the day, where we answer questions that were asked to us by real clients. So today's question of the day is, can a LLC have a vesting schedule for equity? Before we get into it, Bryant Taylor Law is a business law firm. We help business owners start their businesses and help business partners resolve their partnership disputes. So can a LLC have a vesting schedule for equity? And the answer is yes. An LLC and a corporation can have vesting schedules for equity. In case you don't know what a vesting schedule is, it's a basic idea that instead of awarding all of your equity up front, if you're a founder in a startup or any type of business, your equity gets given to you over a period of time. Usually it's a 5-year period, so the vesting schedule would probably be divided by 5, so you'll get 20% of your equity up front, and then in year 2 you'll get an additional 20%, and so on. There will be conditions on when you receive the equity and what you can do with it in the meantime, but that's probably a subject for another video. But just know that an LLC can have a vesting schedule. I think the question was asked to us because this client probably heard something about corporations using vesting schedules, especially for their employees, and maybe somebody told them that an LLC can't have one because traditionally an LLC has membership interests, it doesn't have shares. But an LLC is very flexible and can represent those membership interests in units. And those units can act very similarly to shares. They're not going to be exactly the same, but they can be very similar. And it makes it easier to conceptualize the membership interest. So if you have an LLC and you're bringing on a minority partner, or you want to bring on somebody who can do work for you, but you really can't afford to pay them as much as they should be paid, you can use a vesting schedule as a corporation would to award that employee or that minority partner their equity over a time period. And you can build in the same conditions and mechanisms for that vesting as you would for a corporation. So it's another advantage of having an LLC is because you can mimic a lot of what these corporations can do with their shares with the LLC. It's just that you just have to understand that the actual equity that you're awarding is it's different in an LLC than it is a corporation. So again, just to summarize, a LLC can use a vesting schedule for equity. It can use the vesting schedule to award equity over time. You can dictate what time period you want. Again, the traditional period is about 5 years, and you can put as many conditions as you want on how that equity is awarded, or when the employee or the partner can use the equity. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, we would love for you to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We try to add to these videos or to our channel on a weekly basis. If there's any content that you feel that we haven't discussed, please let us know. We'll be happy to discuss that. And if you just want to talk about your company or your startup with us, just feel free to book a call with us in the link below. We offer a 15-minute free business strategy session. So hope you enjoy again, and I hope you're continuing to stay safe.